A lot of kids get common cold during winter. They get sick again and again. We adults too suffer from common cold. With the 2021 disaster of COVID-19, everyone gets afraid the moment we get sick with common cold. Getting doctor's appointments is very difficult in a country like US, and visiting emergency room might not be a pleasant experience for everyone.
Sir?
You people don't understand. I've been here for...
I am a trained physician. In 2021, I was in India battling the Delta wave of COVID-19. I was lucky then. I was lucky in treating all my patients successfully, and that journey against COVID-19 and my little understanding of virology and immunology helped me learn some simple secrets about treating common cold. In this video, I want to share those secrets that can be used by